back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field. If you're looking to get into work from home in the healthcare field, this one is very high paying. They're paying anywhere from $28 an hour all the way up to $35 an hour. We're going to dive on in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button and sharing with all your friends and family so we can all work from home. Today's job lead is from the company Headspace Health. They have 244 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.2 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a billing specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States, but their billing team just makes sure that claims are timely and accurately submitted, research and review any exceptions to the claims, and document and improve team processes along the way. So you'll be reviewing claims to ensure correct and complete patient and insurance information is attached and billed. You'll confirm all the information obtained, including authorization, coding, the complete billing process. You're going to follow up on any aged claims, working claim rejections, denials, and resolving payment variances, reviewing that billing history and transaction record, answer member billing questions, conducting AR cleanup projects to provide the SWAT team support with high-risk billing areas. And of course, if you have any billing area issues you cannot resolve, you're going to escalate those and make recommendations within the system. So complete insurance billing job. You're going to bill out those claims. Hopefully they get paid by the insurance company, but if they don't, you're going to follow up and find out why. Fix any errors like coding or different things, submit medical records, whatever it is to get those claims paid. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do, however, want somebody who has 3 years experience in some kind of revenue cycle or some kind of healthcare type setting or telehealth billing. Someone who's proficient in those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Excel, because that's what they use to do their data analysis. Someone who is great with communicating with insurance companies and resolving issues. A lot of the issues these days are resolved online through payer portals. Now, again, pay for this position is anywhere from $28 an hour all the way up to $35 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.